So today I'm going to do kind of an unboxing, more of a shopping service review. So this is a order I placed with Tenshi, or Chibitenshi, who's really well known and has been around for quite a while in terms of like not resellers, but like shopping services for the Japanese market. Tenshi does new and second-hand. She does frill, Macari, angelic pretty. Like, you can order basically anything with her from what I've found. So this was an item from a Bloodbath release, which really tests out a shopping service, trust me. So I'd requested from this release, this was the Honey Cake accessories re-release, I'd requested the necklace, the ring, and the 3 pairs of socks. Unfortunately, I only got the necklace and I'd actually already bought it at this point, so I now have 2 of the necklaces, but I'm going to sort something out with this one, so it's not going to waste. I've paid for it. She's really good. She responds quickly, sort of within a 12-hour time frame. She did say she didn't think she'd be able to get all of it for me, which I understood. It was just my own stupid fault for ordering the same thing twice. And yeah, she's very good at communicating. She did take a holiday in between getting my item and posting it, but that's fine. It happens, you're allowed to go on holiday. She's a grown woman. It did not take that long to get here when she'd posted it. I think it took 3 days. Yeah, posted on the 2nd. Today is the 6th. Today's the 6th. So it did not take long to get here. Sent with registered air, small packet. A lot faster than I expected. Her fees are pretty reasonable in my mind. I paid the grand total of $62 for this, and apparently that included shipping. I didn't think it included shipping when I paid her for it, but I haven't paid any extra and it is here, so we're all good. She took payment from me after she'd got the item, which I couldn't do that as a shopping service myself, but it's quite nice that you don't end up paying like $120 or something for something and then her having to refund it to you. So it does make sense, but you do have to then make sure that you keep your money aside. I'm currently trying to get into this. This is the most well-taped box I've had in a while. Just so we can all see how things are packaged. Yeah, I've tried to use her before, but unfortunately the items sold before she got to them. It was a Macari order. This actually happened a few times, so I was really like, oh, what if I don't get anything? What if she can't get it? But no, she's met my expectations, and the sellotape has more than met my expectations. Wow, it's hard to open. It's only a small box and I'm just really struggling. I'm quite impressed with the packaging. If anything, it's over-packaged for my needs, but we're good. We're good. It could have just gone in a bubble mailer. I am really fighting with this. I also have a closet child order coming, so there we go. So, looks rather ominous. It is taped in with some brown paper and a bit of sellotape. Definitely well protected. There we go. One honey cake bear necklace in this packaging with its tag. Very cute, very good, very well protected. So overall, would I recommend Tenshi as a shopping service? Absolutely. Would I recommend Tenshi as a shopping service for a Bloodbath? Yes, but do be aware, you might not get what you order, and then if you're me and you do something really stupid, you might end up with it twice. So that's my second honey cake bear necklace. I'm going to see if I can swap it for the socks or the ring with someone. So I hope that was at least a little bit helpful, and I'll see you next time.